What's up, guys? It's raining over here in West Fargo. It's 60% chance of rain. And look at this, guys. See? It's not coming down. It's just that, I don't know, the thing didn't work. See? 60% chance. And look at that, boom. Look at that. There it goes here. And then see over here.
Hey, Desi Perez lovers.
Gina, go inside.
Yeah?
Your mom's calling you.
Yeah, coming.
How about me?
And clean your feet.
What the?
Clean your feet real good because you don't, I want to.
Look at that guy.
I love Lisa.
Put it right there.
These were you doors?
Yeah, and right there, that's a large puddle. It's going through a stream, so we have like a sewer in front of our house. See it there. Right there.
It's pretty much all rain, guys.
Yeah. No thunderstorm. Right?
Yeah.
It's just gonna be 60% rain. And it's every corner is dripping. Right there. And we have our garbage can that's getting soaked wet. My garbage car. We're waiting for my grandpa so he can get home. And me and him can sit outside and see the rain right there too. Right there.
I want to upload a special thing for them.
I'm gonna tell you a secret.
Are we still a band?
I don't know. Why?
I don't know.
And right there is like
Zoom in.
I am. This is pretty much a rain, guys.
Nothing bad.
Yeah.
If you don't like the rain, it helps you.
Well, it's gonna be bad more. So it's gonna be bad later.
Because you're feeling.
Sorry. I get used to it. I don't know why. But it's gonna get bad later, guys. It's gonna just come down.
Hopefully this rain really calms down.
No, it's gonna be.
It is?
Yeah.
It's gonna be rainy all day.
Not all day. At 10,
At
gonna
only
stop.
10.
10's gonna stop. Okay. And then, guys, we just wanted to tell you guys that we have 60% of rain.
Comment down below wherever you live.
Yeah, comment down below wherever you live is. Comment down below if there's any like rain or stuff, or just comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell, right, Ricky?
Hit that bell, guys,
Yeah.
for a chance to get followed.
Yeah, and make sure subscribe. Comment down below what kind of weather it is over there at your city or state.
And what kind of weather you like.
Yeah, because it's raining over here in West Fargo. West Fargo City or West Fargo. And hope you guys have a good day. Bye, guys.
Love you.